Gender equality. What is it and why we should fight for it? When people of all genders have equal rights, responsibilities, and opportunities, this is referred to as gender equality. Gender inequality has impacted many people over the years, and many advocates have emerged to ensure that these marginalized people are heard. The Stonewall riots, which occurred in 1969, catalyzed the gay rights movements in the US and around the world. The raid on the Stonewall Inn resulted in a 6-day protest and violent clashes with the police. Nonetheless, despite these efforts, the LGBTQ+ community still faces discrimination and withheld their rights as citizens. This should stop.
Gender equality is one of the most serious issues and fascinating topics in our society today. And it all started in 1869 with a historic movement known as suffrage or suffragette, which was formed by Elizabeth Cady Stanton and Susan B. Anthony to discuss the issue of not allowing women to vote, which was the first gender issue. Now, there are numerous issues that women face today, including gender roles, sexual harassment, racism, sexism, lack of equal opportunity, lack of respect, and more. However, this issue of gender equality affects both men and women, with the LGBTQ community being the most affected. Equality.
People aim to proclaim the equality of all because they are tired of prejudices, uneven opportunities, inequality on wages, lack of personal rights, words of disapproval, and so much more. Endless protests are made in the past until now to find a definite solution to this imbalance. And I believe we are the catalyst to ending these problems. Includes.
There are a lot of sectors affected by gender inequality, and some are namely the labor market in our country, economic growth, cultural and creative industries, treatment inside the workplace, classroom, or even in public areas, especially how other people look at different genders in their eyes. People face stereotyping in their everyday lives. We must not forget that our gender should not be the basis of how we should treat other people.
As primary goals in order to prevent but rather promote gender equality is that be an advocate of equal rights. Everyone and anyone has the privilege of equal opportunities. People have their own voice, their own freedom in shaping their own lives, contribute to the economy in their own ways, eliminating violence and prejudice. And finally, everybody has a voice. Everybody has their own mind. Thus, every opinion matters. Gender.
Gender equality is already being implemented in today's society, but there are still ways we as a community can help promote it more. Examples of these are removing gender limitation, removing limit for specific gender use, removing negative stigmas for specific genders, and everyone having the same rights. Everyone is part of society. Make everyone enjoy being a part of it and do their part freely. Promote gender equality.
This should stop.
Equality.
Includes.
Gender.
Promote gender equality.